distinguishing traits and major events of the evolution of the cat. We will describe how natural selection acts as the primary mechanism for changing cats. We will show important evidence supporting this understanding of the evolution of cats. We will show descriptions of how new species develop within the cat group. We will explain the importance of evolution in our lives as well. Domestic cats belong to the group of genus Felis, which contains 7 species of cats. All cats, including lions and tigers, have sandpaper tongues. Since cats are carnivores, nature has given them certain gifts to help them with their survival.
The rough tongue acts like a steel wool pad to scrape all the meat off the bones of the hapless critter, be it a mouse or a moose, or whatever the cat is having for lunch. All cats, with the exception of the cheetah, come fully equipped with retractable claws. All cats are good hunters. Some may not want to hunt, but that doesn't mean they can't if necessary for survival.
Every cat has the ability to catch and kill prey. Cats are extremely flexible, and all cats have the ability to shed their coats in the summer and grow a thick coat in the winter.
Cats vary from domestic, savanna, cougar, saber-tooth, tiger, leopard, cheetah, jaguar, ocelot, bobcat, and lion. They all share the same ancestors that date back to 10 to 15 million years ago.
Natural selection in cats was extremely important to the change in the history of cats, because without it, there would not be the large variety of cats that we have today. Natural selection happens in nature for every organism. It happens when a species has a mutation. Either it can be good or bad, and if the mutation is good towards the survival of the species, that mutation will endure. For the cats to survive, there is one specific variable in their everyday lives that affect what makes their mutation successful, and that is their food source. Food source is important to every animal, but especially important to cats because they don't eat just anything. They are carnivores, so they have to be able to catch and see the prey that they are going after.
That is why most of the cats today have evolved to become extremely fast. From the cheetah to the puma, they are both known as some of the most fast animals in the world. Lesser known is the eyesight of cats. This is important for the slower cats so they are able to see where the movement is. In the beginning, there was just one type of cat, and this was a large panther-looking cat called a panthera. The first ancestors of the panthera were the lion, the leopard, the jaguar, tiger, snow leopard, clouded leopard, and Bornean clouded leopard. There are 8 lineages that have spread throughout the world, and they range and vary in size and look, whether it is from the hair or the fact that they are able to roar. The first group that had small mutations for the panthers are called the big cats. That's the funniest cat. That's why I laughed. They are much smaller and are restricted to Southeast Asia.
The next group of cats was called the caracals. They cannot roar, and they are medium cats that are restricted to Africa. The next group are the ocelots, that are small to medium-sized cats that live in Central and South America.
The next group that mutated out are called the lynx. These are medium-sized cats that live in North America and Eurasia and eat hare and rabbit. These are widely known for their fur, and this group includes the bobcat.
Next group are the pumas. They can range from small to large and originated in North America. However, they are currently spread widely across all 4 continents. Last to mutate was the domestic cat. These are worldwide. These are what many have in their home as their companion, and they are extremely popular.
Previously, the oldest fossil evidence came from Africa and put the big cats at 3.8 million years old. But modern geographical patterns and molecular data, DNA, comparisons of ancient fossils with modern bones, proposed Asian origins going back at least 6 million years.
The fossil discovery of a cat named Panthera blythae adds about 2 million years to the time when the animals branched out to become big cats and suggests the origin of the cats to be from Asia.
Fossil bed revealed something else intriguing. The mix of species discovered around the cat bones supports a relationship going back millions of years between Tibet's big cats, Tibetan antelopes, and blue sheep, all of which reside at the top of the world for refuge.
The origin of the big cats and the location of diverse fossils supports a potentially lead role for the Tibetan Plateau. with its tectonic ups and downs, and the rise of some of today's dominant predators, including big cats. Understanding evolution helps us understand how much humans, mammals, and every living organism has evolved over millions and millions of years.
It helps us understand the quality of life, and regardless of your mental or physical capabilities, every individual possesses traits that assist them in surviving.
Thanks, natural selection. We are here today. Thanks, natural selection.
Knowing about how evolution works creates an awareness for different things, including respecting the environment.
Important to respect the environment because we came from nature, and knowing about evolution shows that we are all related in the world, and should therefore respect all humans.